If you want to learn how to earn extra cash by trying side hustles like playing games and taking surveys, watch this video until the end. Step 1. Sign up and initial benefits. In this video, I'm excited to share my personal experience with a platform called Cashout, where I explored a wide range of side hustles to see if they could really help you earn extra money. From the moment I signed up, I was happy to get 50 cents for free, a great way to start. After logging into my account, I was prompted to select a free gift, which would boost my earnings by 120% for the next 24 hours. This initial bonus really caught my attention and gave me a sense of excitement about the potential to make money on the platform. Curious to see how much I could earn, I eagerly dove into the different opportunities Cashout offers. I was excited to test out everything the platform had in store to see if it could truly live up to its promises of helping users earn extra income. Step 2. Explore the platform. The platform offers a wide range of payout options, allowing you to choose the method that works best for you when it's time to cash out your earnings. Whether you prefer PayPal, gift cards, or other options, you have the flexibility to pick what suits you. In addition, Cashout features a blog with helpful tips and insights to guide you along the way. The blog is a great resource for anyone looking to get the most out of the platform. The homepage also has a section dedicated to frequently asked questions, making it easy for new users to find the information they need and get started quickly. Whether you're new to the platform or have been using it for a while, these resources make sure you always have the support you need and never feel stuck. Step 3. Start earning. To begin earning money, I decided to check out the social tasks section. Here, I followed various accounts and received gems as a reward for each completed task. It was quick and easy, making it a great starting point. After that, I explored the Surveys tab, which provided a range of survey options tailored to my interests. Completing these surveys earned me more gems, with the amount depending on how long each survey took. It felt like a straightforward way to get started, as I could quickly accumulate gems with minimal effort. Both options made earning rewards simple and accessible, giving me a good boost right from the start. Step 4. Featured offers and device settings. In addition to completing social tasks and surveys, I also decided to explore the featured offers section. This section provides a range of tasks, such as downloading apps or signing up for various promotions, which can help boost your earnings. To make the process more efficient and ensure I was only seeing the most relevant offers, I updated my device settings. By doing this, I was able to filter and display only the offers that worked with my specific device, which saved me time and prevented me from wasting effort on tasks that wouldn't be compatible with my platform. This small adjustment made a big difference, as it helped simplify my experience and allowed me to focus on the offers that were the best fit for me, ultimately maximizing my earning potential. Step 5. Games and earning gems. For example, I picked a game to play and started progressing through different levels, earning gems as I went along. It's important to make sure that the app or game syncs correctly with Cashout so your progress is tracked, and you actually receive the gems you've earned. Among the games I tried, I found Bingo Vacation, Go Toy, and Simply Piano to be particularly enjoyable. Not only were they relaxing, but they also provided a fun way to pass the time without being interrupted by too many ads, which made the overall experience much more pleasant. These games were a great way to unwind while still earning rewards. Step 6. Earning and waiting for gem credit. After completing all the tasks, I had to wait for a few days before the gems were credited to my account. This short waiting time was completely understandable, as it allowed the platform to process my activities and update my earnings. While waiting, I didn't just sit around. I kept myself busy by exploring other ways to earn more gems on the platform. I browsed through additional surveys, social tasks, and special offers that were available. This helped me stay active and continue building my balance while I waited for the gems to show up in my account. It was a great way to make the most of my time and keep earning, even before I received the final rewards. By staying active, I increased my chances of earning more, making the waiting period feel like a productive time rather than just wasting time. Step 7. Cashout. The most exciting part of my experience was when I finally cashed out 28,000 coins, which was equal to $28. It felt so rewarding to see the results of all the time and effort I had invested in completing tasks and playing games. After I requested the payout, the money was quickly transferred to my PayPal account, which made the process super simple. Watching the money appear in my PayPal account was a great feeling, especially since it showed that all the work I put into completing tasks and playing games really paid off. This successful cash out made me feel that the time I spent on the platform was well worth it. It also boosted my confidence in the platform, knowing that it could actually help me earn extra money in a reliable way. Step 8. Referral Program. Cashout also has a great referral program where you can earn bonuses by inviting others to join the platform and complete tasks. It's an easy and effective way to increase your earnings by simply sharing the platform with friends, family, or anyone who might be interested in earning extra money. It's a hassle-free way to earn more without much extra effort. Each time someone you refer completes tasks, you receive rewards, making it a win-win situation. My experience with the platform has been fantastic. If you're searching for a fun and straightforward way to make some extra money, I highly recommend trying Cashout. It offers a wide range of opportunities to earn, and its user-friendly features make it suitable for everyone, even beginners. Whether you're completing tasks, taking surveys, or participating in the referral program, Cashout provides a simple and enjoyable way to add extra cash to your wallet. So what do you think? Have you ever tried a platform like Cashout to earn extra money? Or maybe you're curious to test it out yourself now? I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. So drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. There are plenty of side hustles you can learn from this channel, so stay tuned for more.